My beloved students of Strata Control Technology, MN6142. Since we started our first class on 14 December 2020 with explanation of the syllabus, we will continue with the understanding of our syllabus first, and then we can go into actual problems of strata control in mines. Now, let me know whether my slides are visible or not, because many times we used to face a lot of connectivity problems. That's why let me know whether you are able to hear me. You can unmute at least one person, including your CR. Anybody can unmute and tell me whether you are able to hear my voice.
Yes,
there
sir.
were some problems before. Yes, Swati madam. Are you able to hear the voice?
Yes, sir.
I could not hear your voice. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So now I will start sharing the slides and let us see. There are some of our very senior executive PhD scholars having more than 20-25 years experience. Somebody as general managers, somebody having wide experience in other countries also are there in this group, and we should take advantage of learning more about the present problems as far as strata control is concerned. Now I am sharing the screen. Let me know whether it is visible to you or not. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
You are able to see the screen I displayed. Lecture 2 on 17th December 10 a.m. Now continuing further, understanding about strata control problems and that syllabus. Already in the last class we tried to see what is there in the syllabus, part of the syllabus up to module 3 I think we discussed. Before going into other modules, I would like to show some of the present problems and why we created this syllabus. We can appreciate better, and we will try our best to make our knowledge, education, literacy useful to develop further and solve some of the problems with an aim of this course outcome, where you can design appropriate strata control measures in mines, including support systems suitable for various geomining conditions. Here, continuing further, I am not making it full screen because sometimes when I made full screen, you are unable to see. But when you face any problem, let me know. Now, I am trying to take our beloved students virtually into the strata control problems. There are some students which were not there before in underground coal mining methods or like that, but few issues of strata control I would like to make you aware of it with some of my experiences. Initially, I would like to show you we have National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health and Mine Safety, Health and Administration. This is our global community nowadays. Don't think it is something foreign or anything. So that is there in Pittsburgh, which we also try to learn something from their previous investigators and try to uh, try to improve further to suit our Indian conditions. So that research what was going on. Also, I would like to show because I have some videos when I was there for some time. And then, of course, RK8 incline were some typical underground videos of Ministry Coal project, but I used to show to my beloved students as a part of different, it may be underground mining methods like that, but now our course is strata control technology. With reference to that, we would like to see something more in that. Now, this video, whatever photo you are seeing here, this is a mine safety health and administration roof control department. This one, whatever you are able to see. Are you able to see this? I am making it full screen. Are you able to see this? At least one person
Yes, sir.
can respond.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So this is a roof control department of Mine Safety and Health Administration adjacent to United States Bureau of Mines, that is National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health. And this video just I would like to show, but along with that there is a clipping continuing with that. So that's why this is your beloved late Ram Vilas Paswan and GM Prasad Saab, you know, but this is continuing with that. So that's why it was there. Let us not see much of that. Now let us go into, yes. Now you see, this is the United States Bureau of Mines and Mine Safety and Health Administration. Now you see they have the Safety Research Coal Mine, where a lot of experiments were done. And I was also shown at that time, and I gave one lecture on Indian coal mining long back at this place, along with the head of Rock Mechanics Division, Professor Dr. Chris Mark. I don't know whether you are able to hear the voice. Somebody is talking here.
No, sir.
No problem. This is that Mine Safety Health Administration Roof Control Department. As already I showed you that what we are going inside the laboratory. What is the laboratory facility we have? Or at that time when I was there, I was with Ministry Mines as a scientist. That was a time when we used to have some research done on combination roof bolts. That is when we mix both quick setting and then slow setting, what will happen? So you will see at that time, this is in 1998 when there was one international conference on ground control. This is more relevant, that's why I'm sure. And this is in fact equipment for testing the ports and testing, which we were not using before. We were using a bigger size, 3 persons for testing. Same day, I made a call to the directors at Singareni and we tried to import and we tried to utilize that technology with only a single person at the most 1 person. That was in 19. And they have different bolts. Now I think you are able to see these bolts. And this is not just a bolt, but it is a combination bolt when we use along with quick setting and then slow setting. That is even with a part of that being a cement and other part with some resin, then what will be the performance? And you can see this very big block of sandstone here, which was taken from the mines, and then they are testing it here, and you can see their testing facilities. what we have as we had in services institutions. Yes, they are. But our and I now get there are any other institutions in that area. Facilities in USB right, right, was what research is being done, and this is not sufficient just to do it ourselves. The research, but it's not the research done right, all the time. Now, this type of research and academics flowing through our next generations are very much important with a sense that at least we should save, I used to tell you, one life with our research, knowledge, literacy, and minds.
Sir, your voice is not audible. You're on mute.
Now, are you able to hear my voice?
Hello, sir. You are not. Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So the problem here is when we go to the full screen, I think it is there is a problem. Now continuing with this, without going to full screen, let me show you and bring to you some more problems and then why we created this course and what are the contents in the course, what is expected from you to learn and contribute ourselves to the next and next generations improving strata control measures. Here also I would like to take you inside some of the mines, but not taking so much time. But before starting any course, you should first understand why this course is required, what is expected, and how it is going to be useful for the society, or especially for the mining industries. Here, GDK 10, 8, VKP, Orient mines, Balrampur mines from different coal fields. Just I tried to. We have so many mines for that matter, whether it is a central coal fields, whether it is BCCL. So depending on your interest, we can learn so many things. And now I am taking my beloved students inside GDK 8 incline, where you just feel that you are entering inside. I am not hypnotizing you, but get hypnotized that sometimes it is more better and you feel a lot of pleasure in entering inside the mines. Right. So it will be in this winter, it will be very hot also, right? It is so cold, you need not worry. You will feel very good warmth when you enter inside underground mines. Now this is that GDK 8 incline with something written in Telugu. Don't worry, it is not required to discuss or understand about that. Only thing is where from we start our strata control. I would like to show that is the reason why I showed this photograph. Now our strata control starts from the entry inside the mine, my beloved students. You can see the incline and the support systems of different kind, including it can be tunnel supports, it can be in the drifting supports, are making that stable. That is very much required. Here you can see how these girders are used. And now we are starting from here. When you feel safe, then only you will like to work with more pleasure. I wish our beloved students should work all the time with more pleasure and execute and do the best as our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi Sahab, President of our CSIR, a source behind inspiration in the modern research. Right. when you enter inside this GDK 8 incline, now this is the way how it appears, and try to see, don't see the faces of persons. There may be some useless persons like me here, you can see, but you need not see all those persons. But these persons and taking photo is just to give an idea of what is the size of these workings. This is just a relative comparison, not to show any beautiful or ugly faces of any persons here. Right. So now this is about when a person height is around 1.5, 1.6, whatever. Then this is around 2.5 to 3 meter height. And now these are different type of supports. But this support, how it was formulated, how it is designed, what is the scientific basis behind that, all those things now we will be concentrating on as a strata control engineer. You see with that perspective. Now, my beloved students, here is that roadway perfectly supported, I can say. Even this type of things I have for more than 50 mines in India, all over from north, south, east, west. Right. So all these many times are required to be modified in consultation with the people and observations in the mines, and that's what is required. It is not just limiting ourselves to any book or anything, but the experiences, and then learning more from the nature, Mother Earth, and then responding. And that is where comes ground behavior and support behavior. We should match, we should be compatible. And now going further, you see, you need not feel hazy to look at this photograph. This what sometimes happens. That's why I kept it here. This photo also, when you would like to take inside this type of photographs, you will get this type of water, moisture, so many things may happen. But before that, you are, in general, persons are not allowed to take photograph unless there is some scientific investigations required, and unless there are some people who do nonsense like me to develop new science in whether mining or anywhere. And now you go further, different type of supports. That was a hazy picture. Now here it is clear, where now you can see the W straps as the support system with bolts and how it is designed. That should be our aim in this course for us. And these are, of course, machinery where we try to minimize the exposure of our persons, so that even if there is a mishap, let there be the machine go inside and let the persons, the reason is life is invaluable. You should take the precautions. That's the reason why in the morning also I was talking to one of the senior most industry persons, officials. I said our more important than mine and money is the life of the miner. So that is our prime aim, and that is the reason why we are studying this course, my beloved students. Now you can see different places in the mine, in that mine, with sites, somewhere it is strong, somewhere spalling, and the roof, this is a junctions, how it is supported with a W strap, all those things you can see here. Now there may be requirement of additional supports in addition to what was designed, and which may require as a part of our SCAP, Strata Control and Monitoring Plan, as per our coal mines regulations 2017 as far as it is concerned. Otherwise, it was called as Systematic Support Rules of 108 of 1957, which is known to all my beloved students and scholars of our this class. Now, going further, to know as an engineer, it is not just to understand how good it is, how bad it is, but you should be in a position to quantify. Not only just quantifying it, but also to visualize, to indicate. So that is possible by some type of ground control instrumentation. I hope some of my beloved students also will be taking up this lab course. And of course, I may not be able to show you personally or visually all these as in the regular class, but some of our beloved technical assistants and our technical officer, with congratulations to our Malik Babu, who has become technical officer. He has a more better vision. He will make a very good videograph of this, and we will be showing you in the class of your virtual or online class tomorrow as a part of our ground control instrumentation laboratory. But here, for the purpose of theory to understand, so we should be in a position to quantify how much is the bed separation. I am not going in details into the instrument at present. We will be discussing, of course, in the subsequent classes. And this is a telltale instrument which shows it is a red color, and this is a yellow color, green color, white color, right? So, and here also, this is something like a traffic light. It is not supposed to enter. It is a red color. And if it is green, means now that is within the zone of some movement which is tolerable or safe level, and white means even below that. So not to worry. So this is the way how it can even indicate and also measure. Here you can see measurement this much millimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millimeter, then another 5. This is a zone where you should be cautious. And after 10 millimeter, this is a zone. It may be dangerous to be more cautious, or you may even stop that mine or that workings. So this is the instrumentation required. And based on this only, I tried to design the syllabus. That's why I wanted to show all these, why it is designed like this. And this was not designed just to fulfill the requirement of academics, but to help the industries and the society, to save the miners, to give stable workings for the people to work with pleasure and satisfaction in producing the minerals from our Mother Earth with eco-friendly, whatever the name you give. Now, this is a close view of this is an automatic auto warning telltale, where there is an indication which can be shown as a red light when it exceeds, which can be set by us. In general, you may note down somewhere, with my very limited experience of around 3.5 decades working over so many projects, I can say more than 20-25 millimeter should be considered as a dangerous limit in our Indian coal measure strata. You note down somewhere. And this is also supported by our very good friends, Professor S.S. Peng, Professor Feyerst, and other people, along with whom we were fighting for India in international arbitration cases on technologies long back. Here, the step further for a longwall mining, that was a blasting gallery panel, and this is a longwall mining where we can see some of our beloved students who visited along with me in some of the mines. He is our Sridhar, who is a supreme king of the total area strata control engineer, who was trained long back, 10-15 years back, by us, along with the chairman Coal India, Director General of Mine Safety, Mr. Sibbal Sav and Narasimha Sav at our NIT Rourkela. And now you are entering inside, my beloved students, in the long wall panel. Then you feel that you are sitting just beside me, but it should not be just like our Corona, whether it is before Corona BC or after Corona AC, AD, whatever. If there should be some distance of 15 meters from one chair to other chair, this is what is the chairlift system. We are entering inside. You feel that you are with me, right? Now let us go further. Now, long wall panel number 3D1, right? And this is my transdisciplinary group of electronics, computer science, instrumentation engineers from different institutions. Along with, of course, our Sridhar is there, who is a king of strata control from R&D department, working with me at that time. Now, when we talk about any mine entering inside, you should know, of course, I am not showing you the plans at present. Later, of course, we will go through that. And to explain to give importance of this course, why it is supposed to be learned. For anybody in India who is learning mining engineering, and I wish that you should be one of the best strata control engineers from this subject, if not in India, in the world, you should become the best. Here, GDK 10 incline, this is the seam, which is a number 1 seam, and the before whatever we have seen, that was GDK 8, that is a number 3 seam blasting gallery, but this is a long wall. Along the floor, we were working like this with clay and so many things, right? Now, going further, when you are entering through, along with me, strata control engineer, that super king, R&D department, Sridhar here, right? So now we are more interested with the requirements of the support systems, how we design and what are the requirements, where it may fail. Now you see these are the supports with wire netting, then your, what is this called? Anybody can respond? My beloved students, I am showing here. What is this support? I am showing with this. At least one person can unmute and tell me.
Mesh support, sir.
Very nice. Along with mesh, what is there?
Unit.
This support, what is called? This is a one something like a bar. You are able to see here. I am moving this cursor. Next time I will make the cursor big. Okay, no problem. These are the W straps. Okay, no problem. This is a W straps, right? Okay. So sometimes it may be required to reinforce with W straps, wire netting, but at the same time, you cannot just use all these at all places. This is very costly, right? So now going further, now you can see there may be some places which are fall to place, then we have, there may be some bad roof conditions, and then we entered inside, then this is cleaned, dressed, and then re-supported. You can see that difference here, which was with crossbars and later extended further with another bolts, maybe cable bolts. So many things are required sometimes. You see that things with roof stitching sometimes, with your whatever lagging set against all these roofs and sides, it may be required like that. We are going little bit more further inside the mines. So inside that mine, now you can see, come here, our Madan is also here. You sit here, Madan. Come here and along with me you sit. Because you have to show all these things to our students. All our students, along with our very senior executive PhD scholars, are also watching this. You sit here. Come here. You should make your knowledge useful for them. Understand? These are the instrumentation. What is required for our ground control instrumentation. And this is telltales. We have some of the telltales with us, and that we will start today making a videograph of that class by our Madan and Malik Babu. Already I told you, my beloved students, for tomorrow. But today we will make it and then do something more, so that these instruments now definitely you will be understanding. And that's what is required as a part of our course to understand strata control technology. And as an engineering student, not like a layman, just telling that this roof is a good or bad is not sufficient as a literate, educated persons. We have to measure, we have to write, yes, this is having a bed separation of 2 millimeters.
Your voice is not audible.
This course for my beloved students. In between, there may be some problem of any in this internet connectivity. Are you able to hear, Swati madam? Is it clear? In between, any doubt, you should ask me.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So now going further, now you see how bad this roof and sides are here. Now we are using different type of supports, including hydraulic props, and these props may be of different capacities. It can be even 10 tons, 20 tons, 30 tons, or even 50 tons. And here we have wire net mesh, which is very clear, but for my beloved students, I can make it even more clearer. You can see this is a wire netting. In addition, the wire netting, whatever you have seen before, that was with W straps, but here the W strap may not work. But how you are deciding that? That is based on your knowledge, what you learned, and your observations in the mines, and whatever were experiences of previous generations from India or elsewhere. Already I have shown you the leading institutions in the world, including Mine Safety Health Administration, Pittsburgh, and Spokane institutions, including National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. That video also already you have seen. So now you are entering little more along with me inside the mind, my beloved students. Whenever you feel after 30 minutes again, I will be taking you for your questions. You can also write your queries. And here you can see how we are observing. He is one of our Nagendra, who was working with me. He is a director of mine safety now, in Director General of Mine Safety, and our Supreme King of our total area strata control engineer Sridhar also with me here, and computer science and other people from different institutions in India are also with me in doing all these investigations. Now you can see how these sites are, how this roof is here completely better. And now going further, what we are doing here? Here we are measuring how much load is coming on that. And these are the different type of instrumentation. And at that time, I may not be showing again and again. So for my beloved students, Nitesh, Swati, other people, right? You note down in some white paper, your notebook, that these are the typical instrumentation, like whether it is a convergence, whether it is a load cells, whether it is a telltales, extensometers, and those things when I, along with our Madan and Malik Babu, explaining, then you should get these ideas of where it is being used, then you can appreciate better. So these are the readouts we will also show you at that time. And now we are going further. Now you see how it is being measured. Here, simple convergence is being measured by different means, but here I should not say convergence, because when you see, when you closely observe, I am making it little bit more bigger, my beloved students. Are you able to? I am sure you are able to see. Right, there is a 6-inch rod which is installed in the roof, and then it is being measured, and there is one horizontal line, I mean a wire, and this is horizontal because it is fixed in that way with a whatever is a water tube and other things, right, level. So we are measuring the roof sag here. It is not convergence. So like that, there are so many ways how to observe, how to measure. And now going little bit further, all these instruments we will be discussing. That is the reason why you can see our Topi Wala here, right, with a mask, beautiful mask. Then he will be showing all this instrument, and he will be explaining also, showing his beautiful face. But at that time, see only instrument, not beautiful faces, as I told you already. So GDK 10 incline, when you go further inside, how it appears. Now you see, this is a goof. Are you able to visualize? Now, this is what is required to be understood. Nobody can enter inside. That is where my students, my scholars should enter and do something for the world, for India, for the mining industries. Those, nobody could dare to enter and study that areas to save the life of persons, to improve the stability conditions. As a strata control engineer, I wish you people can do that. Now, this is what you should understand. So what is the roof sag? What is the convergence happening? How much load, how much stress coming on these pillars? And what is the separation? If this is a separation of 10 millimeter, then whether that separation is because of that means if this is a roof level, this separation may take place from 50 centimeter. Otherwise, it can take place after 3-4 layers. This may take place from 1 meter, 2 meter above. So these things we should understand where this separation is taking place. And depending on that only you will be designing the supports. Otherwise, whatever this rock mass rating using equations, modeling, that all goes to the dustbin unless you understand, at least with my limited experience of 3.5 decades, helping designing so many systems, including formulation of Indian mining law. As far as this is concerned, I can assure you that you will become the best if you show the interest to learn more on this. Now you see, this is the different type of supports near the go edge. And here I would like to give you, but before telling something else, I would like to have your queries, any questions, and also I will take your attendance. Let me take your attendance first. You can also ask any questions, either unmuting yourself, or you can also write in the chat box. I am downloading attendance, but sometimes this attendance may not work many times. That's why I used to take 2-3 times, my beloved students. And here, yes, any queries up to this? It should not be one way, right? This is online teaching learning process. So any of course, my students all are very sincere, because I know as a faculty advisor, like your own parent, guardian. But in some classes, some other students who are lazy, they will put it on and they will sleep, right? But I know you are not like that. Anybody, you can also ask any queries. If there are any queries, if any, you can also write. But I have a question to you to respond, so that you will be getting your TA marks that may be converted later for your NSEM examination also. Otherwise, we don't know what will happen to COVID-19. So this continuous evaluation question number 1 for today to be answered by you is, already you have seen so many strata control problems as a part of different previous classes. So that previous classes are, you have seen before, that previous classes are, let our Madan also become beautiful, right? He will taking out his mask. Okay, in fact, I should have my mask since he is beside me. Right, so here you can write what is the recent support system in the world and its capacity. You have to answer this. What is a recent support system which you read? Either it may be through your whatever previous discussions, or it may be through some websites, whatever it is. Then you should be in a position to say something about this. So that's what I expect from you as a question. Then already you know very well, in every class I write in the diary your names who are responding. Based on that, your TA marks are given. And now continuing further, if there are no queries up to now, I am continuing further now. Here, as far as strata control technology is concerned, already I told my beloved students, scholars of this MN 6142, like academics and research, already I told you, a leading research institution in the world, what we still consider is USBM, United States Bureau of Mines, renamed as NIOSH, which I have already shown you what is happening inside that mines, inside their laboratories. Already you have watched now through the video along with me. And that converted into academics, that they are two sides of a coin. That's what is very much required to be understood, my beloved students. And for that, you see our Einstein, how he's looking at you. He is looking at you. He with an expectation to open your third eye. I have only two eyes. You have to open your third eye. We say with strata control technology as our Lord Shiva opens. But what for? There is a reason. He also opened only once sometimes, I don't know. He cannot. Even Lord Shiva also do that. But it is to minimize the chances of the failures of strata control measures. Which happened, I told you, my beloved students. Of course, we'll be discussing. All these plans are with me. And I have taken some time, this Vakilpalli mine, where we lost a precious life of our diploma holder, a Naveen, who is a foreman in that mine. We lost because we could not do proper strata control. Measures could not be taken, and that is invaluable life we lost. So as a person learning the strata control technology, you should have that in your mind that yes, I should do something by learning all this. So this is a reason why I framed the syllabus with the requirement of the industry and the DGMS. Already I told you, Chairman of Coal India was also here with us, along with Director General of Mine Safety for Total India was there, and we were the part of framing some of the regulations for India on the strata control. So with that, you feel, I hope, pleasure of learning this. And here you see, but possible only with proper understanding of the problem. So without understanding problem, if you want to learn something, that's why I told you that all goes to the dustbin. That is useless. Whatever crores of rupees you may spend to buy any softwares or do anything, any testing, that is zero. I told you, you may use crores of rupees for testing the rock, but that is near zero. And I did that over 3.5 decades for so many mines, hundreds of mines. That is zero unless you understand the practical problem, right? And even Einstein is looking at you, my beloved students. Take that. And if that is the case, world has so many problems, but our universities, institutes, and especially our NIT route.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So for that, you should look deep into the nature, and you will understand everything better only when you understand the problem. This is not only just told by Albert Einstein, his forefather also must have told to him, but that he has not mentioned. Don't worry. My forefather also used to tell about this. Right. The only source of knowledge is experience, and that experience, you should have that patience, interest to understand, not as a lazy person just to earn money or something like that, to contribute something. That should be the aim of our education. And I wish my strata control engineers who are learning in this class will become one of the best strata control engineers in India, if not in the world, with all this knowledge. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in the schools. And it can be schools or institutions, but you have to learn from yesterday, and you should live today and hope for the tomorrow. And the important thing is not to stop questioning. This is for you to encourage. You don't stop questioning, right? So that is the reason why in between I give chance for you people to answer, to give questions so that we will discuss. It doesn't mean I know all the answers. I will also learn more. I am also a student throughout my life to the last breath to help our engineers, our industries, right? So now with this spirit, let us go further, enter into getting more experience so that you can learn more, you can understand what is supposed to be learned, and we will contribute our best to the new education policy of 2020 in line with the multidisciplinary, but we are a step ahead to the multidisciplinary, what is kept in the vision of Government of India. We have a step ahead with the transdisciplinary, transcendental research. That's what I wish my next generation should have. Now you see, that is a team I told you taken inside for the long wall, and then inside the long wall, how it is appearing now. You see our team inside now to design what should be the width of this working, what should be the length of this face. These all comes under our strata control. So that's what I wish. I might have showed some of these ugly or beautiful faces or photographs, whatever it is, or a useless person like me, photos maybe there inside I might have showed. But this is with a spirit to understand the strata control problems in long wall now. And we have a great miserable failures, like notorious failures in Chercha mine. Oh, Chercha ka baat ban gaya tha long back, 30-40 years back. And also notorious Kotadi mine failure, where we were there fighting with Professor S.S. Peng and Feyerabend in the technologies in international arbitration, and that is with CDF France in international collaborations. Now you see something more. You may be required to protect the surface structures. And here you may be having some mechanisms of using backfilling technologies. Now you see here. And then these are, of course, some photographs where the shield supports to be designed, and it's a part of different roof control measures, different mines, entries, and there is some useless person. I think it appears I am there here. Right. So he entered inside the GOF to understand something, right? So, but you should not do that, my beloved students. And that's what I told you in the beginning itself. Scientists are only allowed to do nonsense things to develop new science. I don't know how much we could develop, but we contributed something to India. Our transdisciplinary team in action, including now you can see our one very good disco dancer is there. Your super senior. I think he is, I don't know, who is he? You see, yes. Can anybody identify his face? My beloved students, can anybody identify him? No, don't worry. So these are different faces, right? This is your long wall face, and this face sprag. Why this sprag is required? Again, a strata control measure here. How much should be the length of this extension of this hydraulic ramp? And what should be the distance between these? And what should be the height? What is the height of this? And what is the mechanical engineering parts? Whether it is, what should be the yielding capacity of the support? All those things are very much required. Of course, we have 10 minutes more. I will discuss for 5 minutes more, because I should not take a valuable time of our Madan for more than 5-10 minutes. He must be having so much busy works. Yesterday also I could not see him. Right. So now you see. So these are some of the typical issues of strata control, whether sites, how it appears. This is again equipments which may restrict you to adopt some type of technologies. You cannot use same technology in the same mine, or in the same mine different places also you cannot use it. So this is all site specific, how it appears, you can see here. Now going further, I am taking you a little bit more inside the face. Now you can see the long wall shield support, about which already I explained in your before classes previously in our material handling laboratory along with our Brahma. ठीक है, हमारा who is our laboratory in charge of that material handling. I have shown you how this long wall panel everything works, but now I am taking you with me. I am there somewhere here. You feel you are there with me here. Try to understand why these face sprags, how much length it should be, what should be the size of the canal, how to design that. Now you can see here. So how you are designing this? What should be the size of this face sprag? What's the length of this? Then how to design all that. So supports including that. And this is what is also a part of later Adriala project. And for all this, since I could not get like our Madan, I could not get our Malik Babu, वो तो बुढ़ा हो गया इसलिए हम ज़्यादा उनको तकलीफ नहीं देते हैं. He must be busy in so many works. That's why I am showing his photograph. Now you see how he is helping us in designing mining methods, designing strata control measures for our mines, along with the Supreme of Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited, who was the Controller General or Director General or whatever, right? Everybody is watching here from different IITs and all, and our Malik Babu is explaining. So he, along with our Madan, will be explaining you along with me, taking less time from me and more time from them in explaining about the instrumentation in our next subsequent ground control instrumentation lab. And now you see what are the typical situations in the mines. Are you satisfied with this type of situation, my beloved students? Definitely you will say no. Now we have to design strata control for this. And whenever you are designing, this may happen sometimes. You should be prepared for this. This also may happen, even a floor heave can happen like this in very typical situations where there may be clay and other things, and you should be prepared for it. And this is something which is long back in 1989 when I was a scientist. This is, I think, that useless fellow who is doing so many nonsense things at that time as a scientist. Otherwise, he should not enter inside the GOF. Correct? So at that time, I used to be there in 3-4 shifts in underground just to understand when stress is 2 kg per centimeter square, what is happening to the roof. When separation is 5 millimeter, what is happening to the side. When this is what I wish my students, my next generation, to carry forward and design the methods, strata control techniques, which should be adopted by other countries later, whether it is Australia, US, whatever it is. Here, now you may design so many things, but you may be wrong sometimes. And already I told you, I don't believe this numerical model and testing in the laboratories. Only I take less than 5%, and we take more about the practical situations in any designs. Now, one of our beloved PhD scholar with such a big, huge support system here. Now, the shearer I need not show, but I should stop only at this phase because time constraint. But in the next class tomorrow, I will be discussing so many things with strata control issues, but later we will discuss about our video of whatever is a ministry coal project we have done with reference to strata control. Then remaining part of our strata behavior studies, why it is required for India or to the world, we will be discussing, and what I expect from you as a student to learn this and contribute along with the references, everything I will be explaining you, and also along with that, what is the significance of assignment topics of learning based education for you with the clause of 7.2c of undergraduate academic regulations for TA assessments and all, everything I will explain. And with that, now I am not telling you thank you, don't worry. But now we will be going to your CEP answer because we have now 2 or 3 minutes more. Yes, 5 minutes more time is there. As per, since we all are good planners, I know very well, already somebody has written here something, but now you can unmute and talk to me, to your beloved friends and all scholars here. The answer for CEP, I will be giving you 2 minutes and later 2 minutes more for summarizing this class. Who is ready to summarize? So this is what is required. Who is ready to summarize today's class? This is what today class. Because this attitude should be developed in my beloved students. And unless you have that, you will not grow further in your life as a whole. You should have that tendency to take the lead role and initiation instead of somebody every time reminding. No, that is useless persons. That is like a बाइंस होता है, गाय होता है, right? तो उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बार-बार ऐसा करना पड़ता है. So it should not happen like that. And you should have that initiative with whatever is required. And now, hello, I am in a class. After 10 minutes, we will discuss. Yes, now there was one senior official from mines. He was trying to talk about your strata control, this issue only. I will discuss after 10 minutes, of course. Right. So who is answering? You should unmute and tell. unmute yourself and tell what is the latest support capacity or whatever you know about latest strata control measure support capacity, right? Unmute and tell. You should also have the skill of talking to your peers first and to anybody in this world. That comes by only your effort, not by following somebody, but you should have your initiative. Not by getting reminded by somebody, but you should have your own enthusiasm to do something. Contribute as a part of the life mission to when you are a employee or when you are a student or whatever duty you have. Okay, right. Who is ready to summarize? I am putting 0 marks for 0 for CEP answer. Otherwise, you can unmute and talk here. And one more thing, already I explained to you over many years, of course, that it is not just giving some technical knowledge to my students, or for that matter, that is not only the education policy. It is to improve skills of our next generations, including whether it is a punctuality, discipline, whatever it is, right? So if you cannot talk, then you are something like useless person, right? Anybody want to give answer? If no, now go to the summary part now. Summarize. But I could see here somebody has written with 50% marks I can consider for writing only. Another 50 when they say. So mobile roof supports. Everything is being recorded and then you can play in YouTube also later. And I hope your CR and others, our executive scholars also must be maintaining these YouTube links and all these. For those who could not hear to my class because of any connectivity problem, not because of their laziness, that which is beyond their control, they can also hear to this class. Right. So somebody has written here, Rohit, our military man, what he has written. Rohit, are you able to hear me? क्या एनसीसी कैडेट मिलिट्री मैन रोहित?
यस सर।
अभी शादी में है क्या? आपका
नहीं
शादी
सर।
में किसी शादी में हो गया ना? भैया का शादी कर दिया?
नहीं सर, बड़े भैया नहीं है हमारे
कोई भी है, ठीक है, इट्स ओके. सो नाउ यू कैन आंसर.
Sir, I don't know much about because I have just done an assignment in the previous semester about the new.
It's okay. We should not take more time. Right. He has written and 600 tons. But nowadays we have gone. Anybody else want to say is it 600 or anything more? What is the capacity beyond 600 or anything more? Anything more? Rohit got some marks. Our evaluation is very fair. Right. If you cannot say anything, right, so that I will answer, right, but giving 0 marks to everybody. Okay, we have gone even beyond 1200 tons and we are already using 800 tons in India itself. Okay, it's all right. And who is summarizing so that we should not take much time? You may be having next classes. Anybody who want to summarize? Meanwhile, I am taking once again your attendance, my beloved students. And our Madan, who will be explaining you our ground control instrumentation tomorrow with a very clear and nicely dusted, because there is a lot of dust in that room, our ground control instrumentation lab. So he will be doing that now, and he will be presenting you with some best instruments, one of the best instruments that anyway I will be communicating later. So with this, shall I close the class for today? For summary, it is 0. Anybody want to summarize? Yes.
Yes, sir. I would like to summarize, sir.
Very good. So Nikhil is summarizing. Yes, tell.
Yes, sir. In this lecture, mainly we saw why do we need strata control. We saw combination of roof bolts, quick setting and slow setting. We saw different hydraulic props for roof support up to 10 tons, and we got verbal idea of extensometer, load cells and convergence in this lecture, sir.
Very good. This is why I explained is you should understand why even this course is required as a part of even formation of the syllabus, what were considered, so that you can appreciate better. And you know very well, next week you will be selecting out of the syllabus your important, interesting topics as a learning based education. So don't worry now, take care of COVID-19.
And sir,
And,
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Virendra Pal is not added, sir. For 220
Virendra Pal.
1487, sir.
Yeah, he is a number and all. You give it to me. I will add. Otherwise, also you can also add. I made your CR and other people as a owner. You can also
No,
add.
sir. Okay, sir. I will see it, sir.
Don't worry. You can write it here also. His number, right? You is that man Paul.
Virendra Pal, sir.
वीर में तो इंद्र है.
sir.
Paul. What is his number?
220 MN 1487.
220
MN
MN
1487.
1487. That is, they are MTech people.
Yes, MTech, sir.
PAL.
Acha, Madan corrected it. PALL.
No, only PAL. PAL.
Only PL, right? So okay, he will be added now itself. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. To be
Thank you,
added.
sir.
Okay, then all the best and dhanyawad to whom? To you? Nahin, to your parents. They are taking lot of pains. Help them. This is a golden period for you. Okay. Then take care of COVID-19. Then Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. और क्या बोलना है? Jai Utkal Janani and Jai NIT Rourkela. I am closing now. I am stopping recording now. Okay. All the best. All the best once again.